Vivo Y300 5G, featuring 50-megapixel camera, Dimensity 6300, 44-watt fast charging, and triple speaker audio launched. Vivo has launched its latest budget smartphone, the Vivo Y300 5G, focusing on strong audio performance, a vibrant display, and solid durability. The phone stands out with features that are not commonly seen in this price range, making it a good choice for users looking for both entertainment and reliability. The phone runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, which can handle everyday tasks, browsing, and light gaming with ease. The device is powered by Origin OS 5, based on Android 15. The Y300 comes with options for up to 12 GB of RAM and 5 or 12 GB of storage, giving users plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos without slowing down the phone. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, Optical Image Stabilization, ensuring sharp and clear photos, even in low-light settings. A 2-megapixel depth sensor helps with portrait shots. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera that works well for video calls and casual selfies. The Y300 features a 6.77 inches Full HD AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. With a peak brightness of 1800 nits, the screen remains bright and clear even under direct sunlight. To add durability, Vivo has used diamond shield glass to protect the screen from scratches and drops, offering extra peace of mind for everyday use. One of the key highlights of the Y300 is its 3-speaker system, which delivers audio that is 600% louder than regular smartphones. The addition of 3D panoramic audio ensures clear and immersive sound for watching videos, playing games, or listening to music without the need for headphones. This focus on audio sets the Y300 apart from many other phones in its category. Vivo Y300 5G comes with a 6500 mAh battery that supports 44-watt fast charging. For durability, the phone has an IP64 rating, making it resistant to dust and water splashes. It also has SGS 5-star certification for drop and fall resistance, making it tough enough for daily use. Connectivity options include dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB Type-C. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe